Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox on iPad. So you just need to, or iPhone, you just need to open browser, and now you just need to go to roblox.com. Once you are here on the Roblox, you just need to tap on menu button over here and go to avatar editor. So if Roblox avatar editor doesn't open, you just need to tap on this double A over here and just click on this request desktop website. Now you just need to go to head and body and go to here, and now you just need to hold a new hair that you want to equip. Like right now I have only one hair that I have equipped. I want to equip one more hair. So how can you do that? Just hold a new hair, copy the link address or copy the link, open a new tab over here, just go to and just paste your link address over here and just copy the asset id. Go back to avatar page and scroll down. You will see here the advanced link over here. Just paste this asset id over here and just click on this save button. Save again, and your two hair will be equipped. So if you want to equip multiple hair, you have to repeat the same steps, and that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.